Hello people, today we are making another video on the people that do not exist. As I looks like I have a friend today called Y_D_W Gasser30. He doesn't talk, don't ask why, but in the comments. But today me and him are making a video and don't expect lots of talking. So yeah. Anyway, we're looking, as I promised in the announcement, where I'm gonna start doing twice as more as uploading. And yeah, me and John. So anyway, we're gonna just continue and we're gonna just do a video on this today. So, okay, so. Looks weird. Huh? Okay, I think it's that girl. Oh, it's this guy, it's this guy, it's this guy, this guy, this guy, that guy, that guy. Wait, oh no, we're trapped. Jeez, that was easy. Only if I was a sheriff. So, uh, I know I don't talk a lot because I'm sometimes embarrassed. But, sorry, okay, so, I tend to talk when John is technically here and distracting. But, okay, so, back to recording. So, uh, recently I got this cool knife John gave me. John and me are like bros. I mean, we tend to roleplay and story shift. But if you were curious, I could tell you how me and John met in the first place. Uh, I think how it started was, so a person named Asriel Dreamer Yay. We're going to a Meep City party. I was apparently with one of his friends called John. Is his old name. So I think it was Story Shift Kara I. So, I was this weird furry thing. Oh shoot, copyright. Oh, oh, okay. I thought it was a slowpoke and you wouldn't kill me. I'm just saying, I'm sorry, I'm embarrassed. Just because it's not me, just because I'm new, I don't record anything all the time. And that's why I brought along a friend that doesn't talk. But yeah. I mean, I only heard his voice once, but well, yeah, that's all. But back to the story. So, how me and Kara met was at an Ape City party, yada yada. Ooh, sheriff. Okay, but oops, sorry. So we met at a Meep City party, and I didn't know anyone liked Story Shift AU at the time because it was obvious, so obvious. I thought I was the only person, and I was like this furry slash wolf thing at the time. But and I corroborated into this I mean, my old outfit is gone, but this is like the newer upgrade model and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, I just tend to do this. By the way, I'm always going to be leaving our group in the um in the down in the description. And we're part of Fabulous Hell Discord group. Make sure to join that as well. I'll put in the description. And I'll put my Discord in there as well because I need more friends. But anyway, you guys can ask any other different questions if you want to talk to me or anything. But back to this way. But that's how me and John met. I mean, at the time, it was pretty cool to meet someone. Like, someone that likes Starshift. Yeah. Server's kinda dead. Let's see. I don't know where the gun is. Just saying, most of the titles are gonna be made by Kara, and yeah. So, I don't tend to, put things in there. Unless if I do it, my handwriting is terrible. I mean, typing. Not the best. Still taking classes. Everything. Yeah. Oh, and my friend I brought today, the way we met was, it was a game called Blood and Iron. Blood and Iron, I'll clip that part out, but, no, sorry, I'll clip that all out, but, uh, so, how I met White was in a game called Blood and Iron, and the game is very fun, you know? I mean, you guys should play it, in my opinion. It's super, super fun. I think I'm gonna, like, do some storytelling as well. And my friend has made an animation series, but it's not the best. Still. This guy. Idiot. But, sorry about that. But, animation series, I'll try to do that. Make animated stories. I mean, me and Kara want to do some gaming and all these other games, but we like are still developing as a YouTube channel. I mean, thank you for the 100 subs from 2 months ago or something, or 5 months ago. I'm still not in the track of all of that stuff. But you know, it's cool. It's gonna just take some progress to start all that stuff. Oh, we could talk about this place and shoot me. But yeah. We're gonna stop the recording right here. So wish you people all goodbye. Yeah. Uh, as you know, non-existers don't be ashamed, you know, to watch our videos. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us. Thank you for staying in track. Now, goodbye.